little bit different today. I might look a little off. I'm actually filming on my MacBook Pro. My camera actually died, but I wanted to come on here and do a quick video for you guys simply because I have been holding on to this palette for so long, and I was feeling really inspired. I was at work all day, and I was just like, I'm ready to go home and film. I'm ready to go home and film. So I wasn't gonna let my camera being dead be an issue. So today's video is going to be on the Box of Crayons palette by the Crayon Case I. If you guys don't know who this company is, or you know anything about the company, she is a New Orleans based entrepreneur, female, black, from Louisiana. You know, we both from Louisiana, and I think what she's done is so dope. Like, Super has literally come from nothing and has made a $1 million company overnight, and I am just so proud of her. I don't know her. I don't know her from a can of paint. I do know I'm trying to be on that PR list. So Super, what's good? If you see this video, go ahead and add me to your PR list, girl. You need me on that list, girl. But no, I think it's super dope. So I went ahead and I purchased this palette as well as some of her other palettes and some of her lippies. And today I'm going to go ahead and do a look for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are an old subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. And I'm not going to ramble anymore. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, so this is actually my first time opening up this palette. Actually, I'm lying. I think I opened it up once when I first got it. And in case you guys haven't seen it, it comes with a mirror here at the top. And then I love that this folds all the way back. And so it is the colors of the crayon in here. The colors of the crayon in here. I think this is so unique and dope. Can you guys see that? I hope the lighting, there you go, that's a better, I'm trying to figure this out. These are the colors of the palette, and they are just the colors of the crayon. Listen, I think the whole concept is dope. So today I really don't know what look I'm going for. I don't know why I feel like this, the yellow, which is coming off as orange on the camera, but this yellow, girl, that ain't yellow, that's red, girl. This yellow and this red is really calling me. I don't know why. And I think I'm going to pop maybe the gold in the center of it, or maybe this white. I don't know. We are just going to we just gonna see where the spirit of makeup leads us with this good old Crayon Case Cosmetics Box of Crayons Eyeshadow Palette. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep my, hold on, I need to get my mirror, girl. Go ahead and prep my eyes for this, and I'm using I usually would use my Too Faced no, lies. I would use my Tarte concealer, but today I'm just gonna use my Maybelline concealer, and hopefully this will work because it's right here by me. And I'm just going to, you guys know, I'm just gonna blend this in so that we can get this popping. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with that yellow color. And I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And I'm just going in with my Taper Blending E35 Sigma brush, and I'm going in with this yellow color. And we just gonna see what these colors, let's see what the hype is about. Let's see if the hype is worth. There is a little bit of fallout, not that much. You probably can't even tell, but it's just a little bit of fallout. And matter of fact, since we got this big old mirror here, we just gonna use this mirror, girl, to go ahead and get our little life. So I'm just using this as a transition shade. And I'm pretty sloppy with my transition shades just because it's a transition shade. And now that I'm looking at this, I probably should have used a white base. But since because the camera really isn't picking up on it the way I wanted to, but we done already started. So girl, we just gonna build that up and keep on building it. And I redecorated my beauty room, and I kind of think I want to do like a beauty room tour. I don't know. You guys, let me know down below if you guys want to see a beauty room tour because, girl, I hung up pictures. I got me a little, um, I call it my little prayer corner. Everything. I just done glam this little room up, and I don't know. Do you guys want to see that? Let me know down in the description box if you're interested in seeing my glam room. You know, a glam room tour. So now I'm going in with who y'all come on pray for me because I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm going in with my taper blending E35 Sigma brush. Well, another one. This is a brand new one. And I'm gonna go in with the color red, and I'm just going to place that right underneath um, where I put that yellow at. And again, I'm gonna start off really light because I don't know how this is going to work. And I would hate for this to not go the way that I want it to. So we're just going to put that right up underneath that yellow. I don't know if you guys know who Nikki Tutorials is. She's like one of my favorite Instagram. Well, she's not an Instagram makeup artist. She's like a real life makeup artist. She's from New Orleans too, but she's based in Houston. But instead of you saw how I was swiping at first, she packs. So like you see how now it looks like I'm packing, and I see that the color payoff is a lot better when you pack your colors on instead of swiping it. So I'm just packing that red color right underneath the crease because again, y'all, I don't know what look I'm going for here. Um, so I'm just going to try the same thing with that yellow. We're just gonna pack that back at the top, and this is looking a little bit Ronald McDonald-ish. But and I don't know if you guys can see that highlight or not, but that is the Crayon Case II. It is Anglola. If you haven't heard about it, girl, I don't know where you've been, but I need you to go and get that in your life. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep building, and packing and packing, building and building, packing and packing. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is this is gonna be a faux cut crease because again, I don't know what kind of look I want to do. And first I'm going, let me see. Y'all think I should do this orange or this gold? Ooh, that gold. Ooh, that orange pretty too. Do one eye gold, one eye orange. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with this gold color. And the color is gold. Like there is no other name to it. The color is actually gold. And I'm going to faux cut this crease. So I want a little bit of depth. So I'm gonna go in with this brown color here. And I'm just going to put this on the outer V and the right a little bit in that crease. All right, so now it's time to um, line my eyes. And I am going to use my Juvia's Place eyeliner. I'm actually going to use a Morphe, just an what is this? Eyebrow brush. Do a quick little wing liner. And then I'm going to spray my face again with some, not this one, because I did put a lot of powders on my face. So I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu. And that's just going to set it. Yes, I sprayed a lot, like a whole lot. And I'm also just going to take my highlighter brush because I didn't add nothing else to it. And while my face is wet, I'm just going to add some more highlight. And a little bit of this Anglola goes a really long way. Ooh, excuse me. So I'm going to give that, excuse me, I'm going to give that a chance to, you know, dry and everything. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. And I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just going to put this on my natural lashes. I don't feel like doing any falsies, although I'm pretty sure I might have to because I feel like they will make this look pop a little bit more, but I'm going to put so much mascara on my eyelashes and I'm going to see what that does for me. So I think my natural lashes is going to do the trick for this today. I don't know why, but whenever I do my makeup, my nose always start running. So I'm just going to go back in that Anglola in the top. I'm not going to use too much because that stuff is potent. And I'm just going to put right in my tear duct. Oof, girl. Oof, what? Oof. Also, while I was shopping on the Crayon Case, I bought a bunch of her lippies. So I did purchase a lot of her lippies. And then I also purchased her lip pencils. So I purchased the pack of her lip pencils. I think it came with 6 or maybe it was only 5, but I can't remember. But yeah, I'm going to use, I don't know what color this is. There's no color on it, but I'm going to use this color here. And I think I'm going to use Marie. Yeah, I'm going to use Marie to finish this look off. I hope I like the way this looks because if not, then I might have to change. Let's see. What's Pablo? Let's see what Pablo looks like. I'm going to use the Colourpop lippy pencil in Pitch. I was trying to use all your stuff, girl, but I can't. So I'm going to line my lips with Pitch by Colourpop, and it's just a brown. And then I'm going to use Pablo, which is this really pretty golden yellow color. I am going to spray this face one more time for your mind, baby. That's my New Orleans accent right there. All right, guys. All right. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette tutorial. I really enjoyed doing this for you guys. I love the way the look came out. I love this this yellow brown is giving me like 90s vibes. Super did her thing with this palette. Again, I love everything that she does. If you guys do not have anything from the line, I will be linking it down in the description box below. Again, Soup, I'm trying to be a part of your PR, girl. I'm trying to be a PR, that PR girl. Look at that highlight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But anyway, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.